Welcome to another InMotion Hosting video tutorial. My name is Arnel Custodio, and today we will be talking about how to enable push notifications in iOS. We are using the latest version of the iOS, version 15.2.1. Note that you would have to enable push notifications from your server if you're going to create custom notifications to push to your users. For more information, please see the article links in the description. Log in to your iPhone and go to Settings and tap on it to open it. Scroll down the list until you find Mail. Tap the Mail icon and then look for Accounts. Tap on Accounts, then look for Fetch New Data. Tap on Fetch New Data. Typically, if the push notifications have not been enabled, then it will be labeled automatically. At the top, you'll see a slider that you can enable by turning it green. If you scroll to the bottom, you should also see the option for how data is fetched. You can select automatically, manually, hourly, every 30 minutes, or every 15 minutes. Select how you want your push notification to be fetched. If you're not sure, simply select Automatically. Note that there is no Save button. You need to click in the left top corner to return to Accounts, and then return to Mail in order to save your changes. To see the notification working with your push notifications set up on your server, you can wait for the notification to occur, and it will generally play an audio file and drop a text notification at the top of the screen. If you miss the notification, you can go to the Notification Center by dragging down from the top of the phone screen. Here you can see a summary of your recent notifications. Congratulations! You now know how to enable push notifications in iOS. If you liked our tutorial, please make sure to give us a thumbs up below and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for listening and watching our video tutorial, and have a great day. Check out our InMotion Hosting Support Center for help with your website. We provide thousands of step-by-step guides, videos, and much more to lead you towards making your online project a successful one. You can find us at www.inmotionhosting.com/support.